One repo this week can turn a single keyword into a full high-definition video, including script and music. Let me show you. Hi, I'm Jason and I'll be your host today. We've got a massive lineup from Microsoft, Anthropic, and some wild indie hackers who are literally building for the end of the world. GitHub is absolutely on fire this week with over 200,000 stars combined across these top projects. Honestly, some of these tools are going to change your workflow forever. Let's jump right in. First up is MoneyPrinterTurbo by hermes-703. This is a Python-based engine that generates short videos with one click using AI. You just give it a topic, and it does everything else. We're talking AI script writing, video asset sourcing, subtitles, and even background music. It uses MoviePy under the hood, and it's currently pulling in nearly 2,000 stars every single day. That is wild. The project is sitting at over 73,000 stars. It supports different aspect ratios like 9:16 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. It's got a clean web interface and a robust API for developers. Why is it blowing up? Because content creation is a grind, and this repo automates the most boring parts. It's perfect if you're building a content bot or just want to test video ideas fast. If you've been looking for a way to scale your social media presence without spending all day in Premiere Pro, this Python tool is definitely worth a clone. It's surprisingly easy to set up too. Next, we have markitdown from the team at Microsoft. This is a lightweight Python utility that converts basically any Office document into clean Markdown, and it's focused specifically on use with LLMs. It handles PDF, Word, Excel, and even images with OCR. It even does audio transcription. It's gained over 12,000 stars recently, bringing its total to a staggering 133,000 stars. The wild part? It's built by the same team that created AutoGen. They realized that getting clean data out of legacy formats is the biggest bottleneck for AI agents today. Unlike other tools that just dump raw text, markitdown preserves structural elements like tables and nested lists. This is huge for RAG pipelines, where document structure actually matters for context. If you're building any kind of AI analysis tool that needs to ingest business documents, stop fighting with custom parsers, just use this. It's production ready and backed by the Microsoft engineers. Moving on to Scrapling. This is an adaptive web scraping framework by D4Vinci. It's designed to handle everything from a single fetch request to a full-scale web crawl with stealth features. It has over 56,000 stars, and it's trending because it integrates beautifully with the Model Context Protocol. That means AI agents can use this tool to browse the live web naturally. It uses Playwright for the heavy lifting, but wraps it in a much more developer-friendly interface. It's got built-in stealth to avoid bot detection, which is getting harder every single day. The documentation is top tier, and it supports multiple languages. Seriously, if you've ever struggled with XPath or CSS selectors, Scrapling makes the whole extraction process feel like a breeze. A great use case here is building a real-time data monitor for your AI tools. It's light, fast, and handles the modern web's complexity without breaking a sweat. Now let's look at hermes-webui. If you're a fan of the News Research Hermes models, you need this. It's a gorgeous, dark-themed web interface for the Hermes autonomous agent. It's super lightweight with no build step and no framework, just Python and vanilla JS. It has nearly 10,000 stars, and it's perfect for running agents on your own server. The UI layout is a smart 3-panel design. You get your sessions on the left, chat in the center, and a workspace file browser on the right. It feels like a pro IDE. I love the context ring feature that shows your token usage at a glance. It gives you full parity with the CLI experience, but makes it accessible from your phone or browser. If you want to host your own agent that remembers what it learns over time, this is the cleanest way to do it. It's fast, private, and looks absolutely stunning in dark mode. OpenBMB is back with VoxCPM 2. This is a tokenizer-free text-to-speech model that supports multilingual generation and voice cloning. It's sitting at over 23,000 stars. Being tokenizer-free means it can handle creative voice design and true-to-life cloning much better than traditional architectures. The audio quality is honestly some of the best I've heard recently. The repo offers a live playground on Hugging Face, so you can test it out right now. It's built on PyTorch and is part of the MiniCPM family of models. What's the best part? Its ability to maintain emotional prosody across different languages. You can clone a voice in English and have it speak fluent Mandarin while keeping the original persona. Use this for localized gaming content or high-quality narration. It's a massive step forward for open-source speech synthesis, and the community is absolutely loving the results. Ever wanted to build your own GPT? FareedKhan-dev has released a masterclass in a repo called train-llm-from-scratch. It's a straightforward method for training your own models. It uses Jupyter Notebooks to walk you through everything from downloading data to generating text. It's already gained over 2,500 stars as developers rush to learn the internals. The author actually implemented the transformer architecture from the original attention is all you need paper. You can use these scripts to train a million or even billion parameter model. Why does this matter? Because understanding the plumbing makes you a better AI engineer. It's not just about calling APIs anymore, it's about knowing how the weights actually move. If you have a spare GPU and some curiosity, this is probably the best educational resource on GitHub today. It strips away the magic and shows you the math in a readable way. This next one is fascinating. Project-nomad by Crosstalk-Solutions is a self-contained offline survival computer. It's packed with critical tools, knowledge, and AI for when you're off-grid. It's built with TypeScript and designed to run on Debian-based systems. It currently has over 27,000 stars. It's essentially a portable brain for your hardware. It includes offline archives, media, and data that keep you informed anywhere. It's intended to be a node for offline media, archives, and data. Hence the name Nomad. The installation is a simple one-liner script, and it creates a web-based dashboard to access all your resources. It's like a personal Wikipedia and AI assistant that doesn't need the internet. Whether you're a prepper, a digital nomad, or just someone who hates being reliant on the cloud, this project is incredible. It's taking the idea of a personal server to a whole new level. Finally, we have the heavyweight, claude-code from the team at Anthropic. This is an agentic coding tool that lives directly in your terminal and understands your entire code base. It's exploded to over 128,000 stars. It helps you code faster by executing routine tasks, explaining complex logic, and even handling your Git workflows automatically. The cool part? You can interact with it using natural language commands. It's like having a senior engineer sitting inside your terminal who has read every single line of your project. It can run tests, fix bugs, and even suggest refactors. It's much more than just a chatbot. It actually takes actions on your files and manages the development lifecycle. If you're using Claude for development, this CLI tool is the missing piece. It bridges the gap between the LLM and your local environment perfectly. It's a glimpse into the future of programming. A massive thank you to all the open source contributors who made these projects possible. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.